Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. This suit is ideal for wakeboarding or surfing. In this scene here, I'm taking a quick swim in water that's only 33 degrees Fahrenheit, and I can manage that with this suit. And I enjoy the seascapes while I'm swimming. This suit is great for open water swimming. I don't have to worry about the jellyfish or the sun. And I always take this suit with me anywhere I go on holiday. This close-up shows the material is flexible yet strong, and it has a nice shine and a nice pattern on the arms. The suit has a great look. I love how comfortable this suit is and how it looks. It's awesome. And the zipper in the front helps from chafing with a wetsuit. It's easy to put on underneath a wetsuit. It helps the wetsuit slide right on. It's really great, even if the wetsuit is wet from a previous dive. I really love open water swimming in the ocean. It is wonderful. That's why I'm really glad to have this Dive and Sail long sleeve dive skin. And that's my point of view.